the vast theater of nature, some moments are so rare they may only happen once in a billion. From unstoppable fury to breathtaking wonders, these are the most extraordinary natural events of the year, captured forever on camera. In Bolivia, an entire hillside gives way. Landslides crash down with unstoppable force, sweeping away homes and leaving countless people homeless. The sheer scale of destruction is both horrifying and tragic.
I got that first one. More bubbles coming up. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
Wow.
Holy wow. I saw that one.
Across Europe, a catastrophic flood devastated entire towns. Raging waters tore through streets, sweeping away everything in their path. Experts call it the worst storm flood disaster in over 50 years.
Oh my God.
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa! Back it up!
Back it up, back it up!
Driver karin mulai.
At first glance, this looks like a tsunami rushing through a river, but in reality, it's a massive block of ice breaking away and crashing downstream. Fortunately, no damage occurred, but the sight is both terrifying and beautiful.
Vas-y, recule. Oh man.
In India, raging floodwaters swallowed a bus whole, sweeping it away like a toy. Luckily, all passengers managed to escape before tragedy struck. And finally, reckless behavior. A car challenges rising floodwaters, a foolish act that could have ended in tragedy.
पूरा रोड टूट चुका है देखो। इंजन आगे नहीं जाते यार, है ना? इंजन आगे नहीं जाते यार, ये तो देख के वो लग रहा है रिस्की हो सकता है यार। ये पूरा रोड इधर तक ही जा चुका है, मतलब इस एरिया का, इस वाली रोड का भी इतना हिस्सा वो आगे उधर पे जा चुका है।
This is Moskanestramen, one of the most powerful whirlpool systems in the world, located near the Lofoten archipelago in Norway. A swirling monster of tidal eddies, it looks like the sea itself is alive, pulling everything into its spinning jaws.
It hasn't tightened up yet. Same thing.
In China, violent storm floods turned rivers into raging torrents, threatening to swallow homes and turning nearby areas into deadly danger zones. Oh my god! A violent tornado suddenly appears and swallows a moving car right off the road. Where did the car go? No one knows for sure, and the mystery remains chilling to this day. Heavy rains in Santa Maria, Spain, tore apart an entire bridge. In seconds, the mighty structure was washed away, reminding us how powerless human engineering can be against the force of nature. A heart-stopping landslide unfolds in Nepal. Massive walls of earth tumble down the mountainside, threatening to bury everything below. For the people living here, this is a deadly warning from nature. When Storm Ashley slammed into the UK, it brought violent winds and heavy rain. Along the coast, waves crashed in strange and frightening patterns, like nature itself was rewriting the laws of the sea. Kerala, India, a house on the riverbank collapses into raging floodwaters, washed away before helpless eyes, a heartbreaking loss for the families once calling it home. Italy's Stromboli Island, a 4.6 magnitude earthquake triggered a violent volcanic eruption. Lava flowed into the sea, sparking a fiery tsunami and widespread fear.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Here now!
On the island of Samos in Greece, a young girl noticed the warning signs of an approaching tsunami. Her quick thinking saved her life. Just seconds later, the wave struck, water levels surging several meters high. Nature never stops reminding us of its power and its beauty. Which of these rare moments stunned you the most? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next once-in-a-billion moment.